Good morning, everyone. Wake up, wake up. It is morning.
It is a beautiful day today. The sun is shining so bright.
I am so happy today. Today is our special camping day. Yay! Camping, camping. I really love to go camping.
Leo, do you have your big red backpack ready?
Yes, I do. Yes, Mom. My little tent is in my hands.
We have apples, sandwiches, and a lot of water to drink.
Are you excited, kids? We will have so much fun today.
I am very excited, Mom. I want to see the tall trees. I want to see the little birds. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Okay, let's put everything in the big blue car.
Leo, please bring your warm jacket. It might be cold outside.
Okay, Mom. I have my warm jacket right here in my bag.
Good job, Leo. Lily, where are your pink running shoes?
My pink running shoes are on my feet, Dad. Look!
Wow, Lily, those are amazing shoes.
Did we forget anything? Let me check my paper list. Oh, wait. Food? Yes. Water? Yes. Warm blankets? Yes, we have everything ready.
I cannot wait to run in the big green park. I want to play with my ball in the soft grass.
We will play fun games all day long. It will be great.
I am ready to go. Let's go to the park right now.
Wait, what is that loud sound? Is that a big truck?
Oh no! Look at the big window, everyone! Come look!
What is it?
Wow, that's scary.
Those are big, dark clouds. The sky is very dark right now.
Where is the bright sun? I cannot see the sun anymore.
It is starting to rain. Oh dear, look at the water falling.
It is raining very hard now. We cannot go outside today.
But Dad, we really have to go camping today. We planned this.
I am so sorry, Leo. It is too wet and dangerous outside.
I am very sad. I want to cry so much.
Please don't cry, my sweet Lily. Come here and hug Mom.
I really hate the rain. It ruins our fun family trip.
I know you are sad, kids. I am very sad too.
We have to stay home today. We cannot go to the park.
I don't want to stay home. Staying home is very boring.
Give me 1 minute, everyone. I have a very good idea.
What is your idea, honey? Tell me your little secret.
It's about a dog.
Shh, that's a good one.
We will bring the camping trip inside our living room.
That's a wonderful idea, honey. That is a wonderful idea. Let's make a big surprise for the kids.
Leo, Lily, come here, please. We have a special game for you. All right, everyone, gather round.
Come on, Leo, Lily.
Whoa, this is so fun!
I'm spinning. Wow! Look at the rain! It's so big! I can't believe it!
You can totally do it. Keep going, champ. I'm right here with you.
Mama, look, it's raining outside. Can we play in it?
Oh, my sweet girl. We can't play in the heavy rain, but we can watch it together from inside. Look, Leo, do you see what's down the hallway?
Wow, Mom, is it? Can we go now? I'm coming! Faster, faster! Watch out!
You are so silly, Lily.
Look, Daddy!
That's wonderful.
You're doing so good, my love.
We did it, Mommy.
Yes, we did.
Time for a cozy adventure, everyone. Who wants to hide under here? All right, here it goes. Wow, Dad, it's amazing. Let's go in. Watch your heads, adventurers.
Wow. Look at the rain. Look, Mommy. I found it. My little tent.
Oh, you did, sweetheart. It's so cute. Come on in, everyone. It's so cozy.
Here we come. Look at that.
Wow, it's so big.
Can we go inside?
Maybe tomorrow. It's time for sleep stories now.
Do not worry, Leo. I have a magic flashlight.
I have a surprise for you, my hungry little campers.
What is it, Mom? Is it sweet food? I love sweet food. Yes, it is. Yay, sweet food.
Yes, it is. I made yummy s'mores in the microwave.
Here are the s'mores.
Yum, they smell amazing.
Wow, s'mores.
Be careful, they're hot.
Oh, yummy. Thank you, Mom. I love s'mores so much.
Look, a barking dog. Now it's a bird. And a bunny, wiggling its nose.
It is a dog. The shadow looks like a big dog.
Woof, woof. The shadow dog is looking for some yummy food. Dog.
Make a bunny, Dad. Please make a little bunny for me.
Of course I will, Lily. Look, a cute little bunny.
Look at my hands. I can make a flying bird.
Tweet, tweet. Your bird is flying very high, Leo.
This indoor camp is very fun. I am very happy now. Me too. I do not hate the rain anymore.
The rain is still falling outside. It is a cold night. Time for bed, little ones.
Thanks, Mom.
Love you.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. I love you both.
Good night, my sweet kids. Have nice dreams tonight.
Me. Sometimes A rainy day is the best day for our family.